Here I will going to solve two part of question number 3, that is question number 4 and 5 from exercise 5.3 for class 10. The question is as follow, that is given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D and A10. So first I take this question. Here A3, that means the third term is given here, and S10, that means sum of 10 terms is given here. You have to find the D, that means common difference, and the 10th term. So look at here, first we will see which things are given here, that is A3, that means the third term, and the sum of 10 terms, that is S10 is equal to 125. So here to find the value of A and D, first I will take the formula of nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Look at here, this is the formula. Just here we use n is equal to 3, so we put the value of n as a 3, then we got a3, and that is the a first term, n for 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 into d. So here the value of a3, that is a3 is 15, so we will put the value of this here, and the a first term we don't know, 3 minus 1, that is 2, and this is the d. So we got an equation, that is 15 is equal to a plus 2d. Look at here, we put it as a equation number 1. Now the another thing which is given, that is sum of 10 term, that means s10 is equal to 125. So we use this formula. As we know that the formula is sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Look at here, this is the formula. So here we put the value of n as a 10, just putting here, so we get s10, and here n by 2, that means 10 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, n for 10 minus 1, and d, we don't know the d. So here just see, we cancel out 10 and 2 divided by, that is 5. So I have written here 5, and the value of s10, that is 125, that is given, we put here, and 2a 10 minus 1, that is 9 into d. So here just see, when we transpose 5 from right side to left side, it will divide 125. So we got 125 by 5, that means that is 25. So I have written here 25. In the right side you got only 2a plus 90, so 2a plus 90, we put it as a equation number 2. We have write it here as a equation number 2. Now we got the two equation, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2, and so we will solve it for the value of a and d. Since here we need the value of d, so we eliminate the value of a, we eliminate the a. Now see how can we eliminate it. For this elimination, multiplying equation 1 by 2, so this is the equation 1, we will just multiple equation 1 by 2 in both the side. Look at here, if we multiple with 2 in both the side, then 2 into 15, that is 30, 2 into a, that is 2a, and 2 into 2d, that is 4d. So after multiplication we get an equation, that is 30 is equal to 2a plus 4d. So put as a equation number 3. Now to eliminate, here we subtract equation 3 from equation 2, that means we subtract this equation with this equation. So if we subtract, then the sign will be changed, so it will be minus, it will be minus, and it will be minus. So 25 minus 30, that is minus 5, and plus 2a and minus 2a, it will be cancelled out, and 9d minus 4d, look at here, 9d minus 4d, so it will be 5d. So we put as a 5d. Now transpose 5 from right to left, then it will be divide, so minus 5 divided by 5, then you will got minus 1, so the value of d will be minus 1. So here we find the value of d, which is a required value, that means we got that value d as a minus 1. Now we have to find the value of a10. For this we need the first term, that means the value of a, we put the this value in equation 1. Look at here, the equation 1 is, just see here, the equation 1 is 15 is equal to a plus 2d. Just we will write it here, 15 is equal to a plus 2d, d for minus 1. So 15a, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Now transpose 2 from right side to left side, then it will be plus. So it will be 15 plus 2, that is 17. That is 17. So a is equal to 70. We got the value of a. Now we have to find the value of a10. Now we again use the formula that is for the nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here just put the value of d and a. Since n is equal to 10, here n is equal to 10, so a10 will be here. A is the first term and n minus 1, that means 10 minus 1 into d here. So a10, that is we have to find a, we got as a first term. Look at here, a is the first term, put the value of here 17, 10 minus 1, that is 9, and the value of d, that is minus 1, it is written here. So we will put it as a minus 1, then we got 17 minus 9, that is 8. So we got two value, that is a10 is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 1. Now I will solve the question number 5. Look at here, the question number 5 is as follow. Given d is equal to 5, sn is equal to 75, then you have to find the a and an, that means first term and ninth term. These two things we have to find out. So we will solve it. First, which are things given, we write here, that means the common difference and the sum of ninth term, that is 75. So we use this condition, and the formula, that is sum of nth term, that is sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term, we don't know, that we have to find out. Here put n is equal to n as a 9, then s9 sn is equal to s9 n by 2, that means value of 9, that is 9 by 2 2a. We don't know, again the value of n is 9, so it will be n minus 1, that means 9 minus 1, and the value of d, that is given here, the value of d, that is given here as a 5, so we put here as a 5. Now the sn is equal to 75. Look at here, the value of sn, that is 75, so we put here 75. In the right side 9 by 2, and here 2a 9 minus 1, that is 8, 8 into 5, so that is 40. We have written here 40. Now see here, 2, now transpose 2 from right side to left side, then it will be multiplication, so 75 into 2. Here we got 9 and take 2 as a common here, so if you 2 take as a common, then you got a plus 20. So just cancel out, so 2 cancel out, and again divided 3 9 ja 3 and 3 into 25, 25 3 ja 75, so it will be 25. So here 25, and in the right side we got 3 into a plus 20, that is here. So just multiple 3 with this this with this, so we got 3 into a, 3a plus 60. Here now transpose 25 from left to right, then it will be minus, so it will be look like sorry, here 60 will be transposed from right side to left side, because we have to find the value of a. So it will be look like 25 minus 60. Look at here, then we got 3a. So if you subtract 25 minus 60, then the value will be minus 35. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3, the value of a, because 3 will be divided by minus 3, minus 35. Look at here, this is the minus 35, so a will be minus 35 by 3. Clear? Now you have to find the ninth term. For this we will use the nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d here. Now put n is equal to 9, then we got a9 a plus n for the value of n, that is 9 minus 1 into d for 5. So the value of a, that is minus 35 by 3, we got it. Then put the value here, 9 minus 1, that is 8 into 5. So here minus 35 by 3 is here, and this is the 8 into 5, that is 40. So now this is not here, the denominator will be 1. So the LCM of 3 into 1, that is 3. Here minus 35 plus, it will be plus 3 into 40, that is 120. So you got here minus 35 plus 120 by 3, that is 85 by 3. So this is the A9. These things we have to find out. So we got which things we have to find out. Thank you.